everybody. Barry with Christenson Transportation in my Razorback shirt, hoping one day we'll win a basketball game. Today I wanted to talk about truck driving, the mentality, the professionalism, and the reality of the difference between a truck driver and your average motorist, four-wheeler as we like to call them in this industry. I was driving the other day going somewhere, and a car was in and out, doing what they do, and I see the driver give the one finger wave to him, and I'm like, immediately look up and see the company name along the truck and trailer, and I'm like, that's all those people see, right? They see this guy giving them the bird, and then they see the company name and they associate that company from that point on with that type of behavior. In this business, doing what we do all day long, every day, you've got to have a different mindset. We're driving, let's just say 500 miles a day, state to state to state, right? These average motorists are driving 2 exits. They're in the city where they live typically. They're getting on the interstate, they're going a couple exits, they're getting off the interstate. They do something, gets under your skin, you worry about it, you get upset, they get off, then you have it again. It could happen, God knows, all day long. That would drive you crazy. You've got to understand they don't do this for a living. They don't drive very far. They got other things on their mind. They don't have safety as any concern. And that's all we have is safety and professionalism. And this is what we do to make a living. So I was thinking, why don't we play a game? When somebody does something like that, instead of screaming at them and yelling to yourself of how they do something or giving them a finger, why don't you just play a game and say, God bless you, I hope you have a nicer day. I don't know what's going on in your world, but I wish I could help, and have a merry day. And then laugh about it and see if your mentality and your blood pressure stays a whole lot lower, because they're not going to change. All you can do is change how you react to these people that are creating these situations. So I'm not a shrink. I'm just saying, if you play a little game sometimes, life is better. So thanks for being at Christenson. Thanks for all those professional drivers that drive nicely and understand that the public is not a professional driver. We can't hold them to the same standards we hold ourselves. Somebody else can do that. So thanks for being here. Thanks for being where the truckers truck and where safety takes priority.